Hey guys, it's the Sparkle Girls. Today we're going to be making crunchy cornflake chicken fingers. My dad used to help out with it a lot with his mom, so we thought we'd do it today.
So right here we have some chicken, and
then we have eggs with milk, with
then
some
we have crunchy
cornflakes with some spices like salt and pepper.
Yeah,
and then we have a plate. I think we're going to split them up. The first step is to put the cornflakes on the ground and stomp on them. So, let's put the cornflakes on the ground and start stomping. We're going to take turns doing 5 stomps each. So, why don't you do 5 stomps first, Charlotte, and then it'll be my turn. This is kind of like the funniest thing I've done. I think that's 5, Charlotte.
My turn.
This is like really funny, guys. I think you guys are gonna have a fun time. You guys could also just like use your fist and chomp it, but I think it's funner just like stomping on it.
It feels funny.
Stomping, keep crushing it.
My turn.
How about you take one side and I'll take the other side and we'll both stomp on it. Ready? I think it's chomped up. Okay guys, so we are back and we are going to tell you guys the steps. This is super easy. You guys might want to try experimenting. You guys could experiment if you want by just using like different cereals to do it, or you guys, if you guys don't have cornflakes or the cereal you want to use, you could also just try to find something that's kind of like the cereal or something that's crunchy that would go well with the chicken. But we first have the chicken. So what we're going to do with the chicken is we are going to pick it up. We're going to put it in the bowl. We are going to mix it around. We're going to grab our fork. And then we're going to stab it. And then we're going to put it inside of our cornflakes. Grab the bag. And then we're going to shake it. Our bag accidentally broke by one of us. So we just have another bag covering it.
So I guess that...
and then the baking sheet is over here. I spread them out a bit so it'll be easier to go to the stations. Make sure you guys subscribe, give us a huge thumbs up, and put your notifications on so you never miss a video. So, to get started, we're first going to have Charlotte go first, and she is going to grab her chicken and do the stations. I'm going to help her out, and so is my dad, who is right now holding the camera.
Do I just like put it in?
Yeah, you just put it in.
Then I just like...
Yeah, mix it around. Try to not get anything out of the bowl. And then you're just going to stab it when you think it's good and sticky. Guys, you want to make sure that you get it super well in that milk and butter.
I have a minute close up.
Ew. Okay.
Well, I want to shake it.
So guys, she just got it out. You want to make sure it's super sticky, so that way when you're done with putting it on, it's like super covered in it. So that way, the more cornflakes you have, the better. It's going to be more crunchier. If you like crunchy chicken, then this would be the thing. And now, once she's done, we are going to, she could also use the fork from the milk and butter if she wanted to just grab it out. Or she could just grab it with her hands. All you've got to do is just grab it. And now, since we put this much on, it is now covered in it. It also has seasoning. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's actually like this red type of seasoning. Now it's my turn. I think that was goodly crunched. That's super good. Okay, Charlotte, how about you switch to my stool so I can
just give you one.
Okay, yeah, just do that.
Which one?
Just anyone, really. The side one would be good one. Guys, these are super gooey, so you might want to be careful.
And why don't you wash your hands before you do it?
You really want to wash your hands. And then when you're done, super good because there's actually bacteria inside of everything. So let's just put it in and mix it up.
You're not trying.
Guys, the more you get it mixed up in there, it actually gets more stickier. So now you're gonna take your fork, really stab it in there. You might want to let some of the juice out. You're gonna. Oops, I dropped it. Guys, I don't know if you guys can hear Alex, but he's just screaming wildly. I gotta make sure it's really stabbed in there. Guys, so now Charlotte is grabbing a paper towel for me. This can get a little messy, so you can also cover your work surface with anything if you want. I would basically use old newspapers, but you guys could use.
One for the mess, then two for us. This is for you to wash.
So you're just going to. Okay, so you're just going to. I'm just basically gonna leave it over there, but now you guys can see that it's super covered up in it. So once you think it's goodly covered up, you're going to take one. You could also get another fork if you don't want to mix it up inside the cornflakes, or whatever cereal you're using. You're going to stab it again. I am putting it over it so that way when it falls, it's not going to be a big mess. And these are two of our crunchy chickens. They have a whole bunch of spice, especially Charlotte. She got it really in there. So now it has a whole bunch of spice on it. It smells so good. I love the smell of the cornflakes. So I'm going to put that back in. The cornflakes are definitely going to go into your bowl. That is okay. That's actually kind of what you want, because it can also make it easier if you just put it into the first step. But again, mix it up. My hands are covered in this. They are so sticky. Make sure that sometimes they might need help, so you can get an adult to help if it's a bit hard since it's slimy. We're gonna, and then you want to get some a foil or anything. Put it over your baking sheet, or you could also just use the plate. We used a baking sheet. We had changed it, so then you're just gonna want to put some foil on it. No, just put it in.
Okay, I will do it.
And then you're just going to want to spray it with some spray. We have this specific spray, but you guys could use.
On the chicken.
Do not spray on the chicken. What she said, guys. So we have about 5 because our family has 5 people in it. We might do a video for my brother's birthday. I don't know, but guys, we're going to be finishing
this is gonna
the
be
Death
so
Star
good.
soon. Just to give you guys a heads up, this has taken a few months because we haven't done it in a while. This is how covered it is. So I'm just gonna basically spread them out a bit so we have more space. So now I'm gonna take. I think this one is good. Oh my goodness, guys! Make sure you could get an adult to help if it's really slimy. Your chicken. It kind of looks like a big snail to me. But I'm just gonna put it in. You want it to be super mixed up. Make sure that you use good, you make sure that.
But if you get them on anything, and if you touch like lots of things, do not touch your eyeballs, do not touch your mouth, do not touch
really anything.
Do not touch your nose. Do not touch like anything except the wax.
So it's actually.
Except the things in.
I accidentally got it out of the bag. Okay, I just scooched it into the bag. So guys, when you're doing it, you also want to make sure that you try to keep your table as clean as you can, because then it's just going to be a bigger mess when you're done making it. So try to keep it as clean. Sometimes, since it's going to be super gooey, it's going to slide off really easily. So just try to be as careful as you can. Nobody's perfect, but
and also, guys, so if you guys do not have these stuff, you may want to be really careful because if you do get it on anything, making sure you like really
change and wash your hands after that.
and also making sure you do like really good inside the washing machine because it needs to be clean. So
Because it has bacteria. So let me just get this. Okay. Now we're going to grab, stab it. Charlotte's going to start with hers.
wait, okay.
This is how I got mine. I'm going to put this slimy dude in there.
I got a fork.
Oh, fork. I put it back in the bag.
I'm gonna shake it off a little bit.
Okay. So, guys, we're going to be making like maybe like 7 or so. Because if you really like the chicken, you might want to make a little bit more for the family. My dad's right now showing his hungry look. Well, you guys know that if we get 3,000 likes, we might do a video of maybe Legos and cooking and just do like a whole bunch of fun things and just like maybe combine a few videos we done.
There you have it.
So guys, you can also be doing it a little bit quicker. Again, make sure you keep it in your hand. Try not to like wave it around that much. That's gonna make it slide out of your
inside
hand.
the cereal.
That's what you really want to do. I'm just gonna keep mixing till my sister is done, guys. I feel like this is gonna take 30 years just to get my sister done doing this. She just splashed some like right by my eye. So I'm just trying to use my apron. She is grabbing it because the cereal. This is hers. It actually has like a tail leaning off of it, but it's fine. This kind of looks like a rocket to me. You might want to, if you have an uneven number, you might want to try to scooch them down a bit, just to have the top one done. Mine is perfectly slimed up for me. So I'm going to quickly drool it into the bag. So as soon as you guys can get it into the cereal, guys, you can, if your friend's doing it with you or something like that, you can start it. If you want, you can start the next one. Once you're running out of cereal, you can just grab the box. Or anything else. Really, you just want to make sure the spice and the cornflakes get on. The spice really, when it goes with your cereal, well, it will actually not make it taste so cereal-y.
Yes.
Don't try to make it super spicy unless you like it spicy.
Daddy, that may be good for you because you like hot sauce.
Yeah, true. It's kind of related. There's no more, guys, so there's about 7 of them. I'm just going to scooch them over.
I'm doing the last one.
But, guys, I did 3. She's doing 4. Our baby brother over there is eating his milk, getting ready for dinner. Then you open it up to the bag and you go drop.
Let me have it. Let me have it.
You might wanna, if it broke accidentally, just put it in another bag and ask your friend to help if it's a bit hard to separate the bags out, just so that way you can get it inside the bag. 30 years later, she is still shaking. Okay, well, it feels like it's been 30 years. Okay, are you done shaking? This is gonna be like another 100 years till she's done shaking this stuff.
Let's see. Let's see here. Actually, we need more milk step.
Okay, but alright. Guys, I think the one that's the spiciest is probably this one.
This one
You
may
guys
be
can
the
see
spiciest,
we can see a
actually.
whole bunch of spice
I'm
on it.
actually getting it so in there.
Make sure you also try to get the other sides done and stuff like that. It will also spread when you are done making them. Here, I can put it on the plate for you. So guys, this is the last one. Now we're gonna bake it for, now take a break. Now take a break to clean up. Now that you're all done and you're all cleaned up and you have yours perfectly, you have yours as much cornflakes or whatever, as much as you want, you're gonna put it in the oven at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. So once you are done that, it will be complete. If you want and it doesn't work that well, you guys can also put it in for a few more minutes at 425 degrees. Just make sure you get an adult to help for this part. And we will see you guys when it's done. Woo!
Okay, hello guys. We are back with the food and it's been a few more than 15 minutes.
But we've got dinner on the table. We have some green beans and we have our cornflake chicken. Just cut off a piece. I'm gonna be excited to try it. You ready, Shot? Grab your chicken. I'm gonna stick this on and it kind of tastes like sweet. And it kind of tastes like chicken, but it's also sweet. Yeah, but I still love it. It's crunchy. Yeah, it's really good. If you guys try this with different ones, I think it'd be good with Cheerios. Definitely not chocolate chip. I don't think chocolate and chicken would go that well. Bye.
See us next time on the next video that we do. Making sure you subscribe and give us a huge thumbs up.
And
Bye.
turn notifications on so you never miss a video.
Bye.